to make it simple, the reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. The products of photosynthesis are oxygen and glucose. The reactants of respiration are glucose and oxygen, and the products of respiration are carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. The oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle is described in the diagram below. So basically, combustion occurs in factories and places. Near the trees, there's photosynthesis occurring. And then from the ground, we have respiration occurring. And then we have decay of once living organisms right here from the bottom. And then we also have fossil fuels that are made. We also have carbon dioxide that's dissolved in the water. And we have respiration from the water and photosynthesis in the water.